I'm Keith Atto, and this is a Monday morning market overview, August 24th at 11:45. The story in the market this week is our old friends, U.S. housing, China, and the U.S. dollar. U.S. housing existing home sales rose 7.2% on Friday, breathing new life into the market and a renewed optimism, especially for financials. On Tuesday of this week, tomorrow we'll have the Case-Shiller index. On Wednesday, we're going to have the new home sales. Positive news on either of these two, especially if it's both, will breathe more new life into the financials and a spirit of optimism. General economic news this week includes the durables on Tuesday, initial claims on Thursday, and personal income and spending on Friday. China's economic news will and does shift market sentiment quickly and with great magnitude. One thing to look at here is the Baltic Dry Index. The Baltic Dry Index is now at 2468 after many down days from its recent high of 4400, and this is mainly due to better management of the piracy issue in terms of the charter rate for Cape-size ships have reduced significantly, and also reduced purchasing of iron ore by China. Both have led to the decrease in the Baltic Dry Index, an indicator of global trade. Something to think about. As well, earlier today, Art Cashin mentioned on CNBC that he will be taking some risk off the table, and at the same time Rick Santelli was unusually restrained and actually likened the market to a freight train, best not to stand in front of it. He's an excellent trader, comes from that background, knows order flow. Both men, something to look at. As well, the short-term traders that they had on are now trading from the long side, and I might add, hating it. A major capitulation. And as always, recently anyway, we have two very conflicting points of view. Art's taking risk off the table, the other people are piling in. So the caution is to be advised. The US dollar euro rate is holding fairly steady at 143.20, and right now it's at 143.19, so it's right there. And this week we should look for the Dow, probably a range between 9,100 and 9,700. Any breakout through the support and resistance should be looked at carefully as far as market sentiment. And the real wild card this week and next week is going to be low liquidity, as holidays are being taken the last 2 weeks before Labor Day. And so expect volatility. Know your rules, trade your rules, and have a good day and a good week.